Hi dear students, welcome you all for today's statistics class. In the previous video, already we discussed about model question paper 1, under that section C 5 marks questions. In this video, we are going to know about the same model question paper, under that question number 32. It carries 5 marks. Compute MD means mean deviation. MD means mean deviation from median and also its relative measure for the following data. So mean deviation, under the mean deviation we have three concepts: mean deviation from mean, mean deviation from median, mean deviation from mode. We have three types of solution in the mean deviation. In this problem, they are asking about mean deviation from median and its relative measure for following data. Relative measure means coefficient. Relative measure means coefficient of mean deviation. Relative measure means what? Coefficient of mean deviation from mean. We have to find out here. First we have to find out the mean deviation from median, and also we have to find out coefficient of mean deviation from median. So the given information is variables. The observations are given. So 37, 45, 52, 46, 56, 40, 47, 55, 43. So any observation they are given, but the observation we should be convertible into a ascending order first. So first we have to write ascending order. This is a solution for this problem. First we have to write this observation in the form of ascending order. In the form of ascending order. Ascending order we can write first. So lowest value to highest value we have to write here. So the lowest value first is 37. The second lowest value is 40. Next is 43. The next is 45. Next is 46. Next is 47. Next is 52. Next is 55. And last is 56. So first we have to write ascending order. In the form of chronological order we can write. Next we have to identify the median, because mean deviation from median. First we have to identify here median. Median is equal to, it is an individual series, we can write n small n. When the given information in discrete series we can write big letter n. N plus 1 divided by 2th observation or term. So n means number of observation. Number of observation, how many number of observation are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 observations are there. 9 plus 1 divided by 2. 9 plus 1 divided by 2th term. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 by 2 term. 10 by 2 is equal to 5th term. Is equal to 5th term. Under the ascending order, the 5th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th term is 46. The 5th term is 46. The median is equal to 46. The median is equal to 46. Okay dear students. Next we have to identify the mean deviation from median. Now we are identified the median. Next we have to identify the mean deviation from median. So mean deviation from median, the formula is summation of x minus median. Summation of x minus median. So next in a table we have to identify the x minus median. X minus median. So first we have to write given information of x, So x they are given, so that information we have to write as it is. The information we have to write as it is. 37, 45, 52, 46, 56, 40, 47, 55 and 43. This is our wish. So we can write ascending order, or else as it is given information we can write. That is our wish. Next we can identify the x minus median. X minus median we have to identify. So median, I think all are know about that. The median value is 46. The median value is 46. We have to identify the x minus median. So 37 minus 46. 37 minus 46 we will get 37 minus 46 we will get 9. 45 minus 46 we will get 1. But in the mean deviation, no need to use any signs, plus or minus. If you get minus value also, we can write here plus value only. Okay, dear students. 52 minus 46 we will get 6. 46 minus 46 0. 56 minus 46 10. Next 40 minus 46 6. 47 minus 46 1. 55 minus 46 we will get 9. 43 minus 46 we will get 3. Next we have to make a total. Summation of x minus median. If you make a total of this, we will get 45. If you make a total of this, we will get 45. Okay, dear students. So in the table, first we have to create a x. Next we have to create x minus median. Next we have to apply the formula for mean deviation. Mean deviation from median. Mean deviation from median is equal to, formula is summation of x minus median divided by n. X minus median summation is 45. N means number of items. Number of items is n is equal to 9. Number of items is 9. So n is equal to 9. 45 divided by 9 we will get 5. Mean deviation from mean is 5. Next we have to find out relative measure. The relative measure is coefficient. The relative measure is coefficient of mean deviation from mean. Coefficient, relative measure means coefficient of mean deviation from mean. The formula for mean deviation of coefficient is mean deviation from mean divided by median. Mean deviation from median divided by median. Okay, dear students. Mean deviation from median, we already find out the answer here. The answer is 5. Next the median value is 46. The median value is 46. So next, coefficient of mean deviation from mean. Mean deviation from mean is 5 divided by 46. 5 divided by 46 we will get 0.106. Okay, dear students, this is the way of solution for this. When we have to identifying a mean deviation from median, first we can write the given information in ascending order first. Next we have to find out median. Next we have to find out the median. After the find outing the median, next we have to create one table for the purpose of identifying the x minus median. So x as it is we can write here. So we can write ascending order, or else given information as it is we can write. Okay, so next we have to create x minus median. So after calculating this, next we have to identifying the mean deviation from mean. So after identifying the mean deviation from mean, next we have to calculate coefficient of mean deviation from mean. So this is the relative measure. This is the relative measure. It is also very important. So it's very important for your 5 marks. Okay, dear students, practice well. Okay, thank you to all.